What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you a quick question. What is the single biggest reason that you are not making a living online yet? Okay, and before you answer, I've got the answer for you, and I've got the solution for you as well. The answer is really, really simple. You see, the fact of the matter is that if you really want to make money online, you need two things. You need a method of making money online, and you also need a method of basically getting customers to like what you have to say. Okay, that's really what the bottom line is. You need to be able to offer your customers something that they want. And I have the solution to both of these things in my review of Ecom Academy. It is coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And why would that be? Well, regular viewers of the channel already know. It's because I wear footwear pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the very few people who can put one on successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be really, really stale as well as my jokes can be stale. Let's call a spade a spade. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a crazy thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Really, Bart? Really? Do you not realize how irritating that guy is? Every single day, day in and day out, yappity, 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 over and over and over again with the crap. Bart, get a new line, really. I tell him every day, he doesn't listen. Could somebody talk to him? Maybe one of you out there can talk to the guy and just tell him, listen, it's time for a new line. Seriously. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
I thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz also says the same thing every day. You think I'll get angry at her? But who can get angry at somebody so sweet like that? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, obliterate the bell icon, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you select all, like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are on the sales page for the Ecom Academy. Now, Ecom Academy is a brand new course. It is from my friend Vikram. And basically, it's basically designed to teach you the basics of making money online using various marketplaces to make money online. It's very, very easy and very, very done for you. And that alone would make it worthwhile. Okay, we can see some of the money that's been earned here. Okay, now again, as I always say, I take all these earning things with a grain of salt because very often these are from people who are vendors. I don't think this is Vikram's actual account. I think this is from somebody else who actually used the course. This is Ashley Parry, actually. Okay, so Ashley is also, he started to become a vendor. He hasn't done much in the way of being a vendor yet. I've seen other people who have done a lot more. So these are actual people who have used this thing. This is another guy, Maxwell Udofia from Nigeria. Okay, so this one is actually legit because as far as I know, he is not a vendor. He does not sell stuff. He basically only is an affiliate. So you can see here, these are real numbers. Okay, in one day, $126. This, I believe, would be also for one day, $1,167. This is real money that real people can actually make using this course. So that's like really, really powerful because very often you just see people putting up their vendor stats and they're like, oh, $100,000. You know, like, okay, yeah, dude, you're a big name. You obviously are going to be making more money. Okay, but these are real numbers. Now, I want to show you why I am super duper excited about this, and then we're going to take a look at the members area. I also want to tell you about my bonus. Okay, because I got one of the best bonuses you're ever going to get from here. So first of all, you're getting all these things. The thing that I really love about this thing, the thing that really makes me super duper excited about the Ecom Academy It's not so much the course. The course is great. Don't get me wrong. It's a great course. It's really going to help you out. It's got a lot of done for you stuff, and the price is like $15. So you can really sink your teeth into this. But here's what I love. Check this out. Now, this is what I recommend you do. Spend the $15 over here. Okay, grab the full version. Why am I suggesting that you grab the full version? I will explain to you why I suggest you grab the full version. Because when you grab the full version, you are getting what is called PLR, which stands for private label rights. What does private label rights mean? That basically means that you can take this thing, rebrand it, and put together your own brand new course based on this, and you can put your own name on it. And what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you a bonus, which is going to blow your mind. Okay, because when you sell these kinds of things, you want to be able to offer some sort of bonuses. So I'm going to give you a built-in bonus you can give away. I have a course called Email Success Secrets. It's going to come out in November. I'm still not sure of the exact date. It was originally scheduled for November 4th. I think it's going to be moved a little bit further into November, but it will be coming in November. Now, the full version of Email Success Secrets is about 16 modules, 15, 16 modules, something like that. I originally created Email Success Secrets as a 5-module shorter course, which I gave away as a bonus. That original version of Email Success Secrets, I'm going to give it to you as a free gift, okay? And not only are you getting the course, you're also going to get PLR rights, the same rights that you get like this, unrestricted private label rights. You're getting PLR rights with my course as well. You can sell it, you can give it away as a bonus, use it to build your list, whatever you want. Now, in addition to that, what I'm also going to do for you, and which I originally did not do, but I decided that I'm going to do for you as well, I'm going to give you access to my personal favorite logo designer. Okay, because I've given away logos before, like done for you logos, and they're pretty nice. But I hear a lot of people like, oh, Eric, I don't want to know how to edit a logo. It's difficult for me. So the logos that I use now, I actually don't make them myself. I used to make them myself, and I can do it, but I am not an expert logo designer. I found a designer who charges me all of $5, and this person is a wizard, an absolute wizard. I'm going to give you the link to that person. I think it's a her. I'm blanking on if it's a her or a him. But anyway, I'm going to give you the link in my bonus doc to that person's profile on Fiverr. And trust me, this person blows me away every time I order a logo. Absolutely insane. And for the $5, it's like, why would I even think about doing it myself? You know, because like I can do it for myself for free, but for $5, the logos I get are so much better than what I can do on my own. Okay, like seriously, super nice logos, really, really well done for $5. I'm going to tell you who it is. This is one of my biggest secrets because it's really made such a difference for me. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the members area real quick so you can see what's here. Okay, you can basically, it's just a download. Okay, you have all the different packages that you get with obviously the 15 step-by-step tutorial videos. These are the actual course. Okay, you get the whole thing over here. And you can also download the raw files and whatever else, and all the sales copy and the sales pages and all that kind of good stuff. It's all included for you. You get it all for free for your $15 when you pick this thing up. That's why I recommend it. You also get all these bonuses. And of course, you get my bonus, which is my Email Success Secrets course. I'm also going to tell you where to get custom logos for $5. This person does amazing work. You just tell her, I think it's a her, what you want, and it blows me away every time I get logos made. Like I can't believe that it's only $5, but really, really incredible work. Anyway, so let's see if I'm going to give you tip my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Tip of my hat. This one is a big winner. First of all, the course was excellent, but beyond just the course being excellent, the fact that you can get it with PLR, it makes it an absolute no-brainer to grab this one, especially when you get two for the price of one, because you're also getting PLR to my own Email Success Secrets course, the original version of Email Success Secrets. You're going to get PLR to that as well. This one really is worth picking up. Grab this one. This one is so worth it.